Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to log into your EZY Mortgage account. If you want to sign in and access to your mortgage account online and you don't know how, then simply watch the video till the end and follow through the on-screen instructions. So let's get started right away without any further ado. First of all, open a preferred web browser. Inside the URL box, type in msz.com.au and press enter on your keyboard to find yourself in the official website for EZY. Now wait until the website loads. Once you get to the main homepage, scroll down and then click on this existing client option under MEZY Customer Portal. Once you get to the official website for MEZY, click on the existing client option at the bottom of the screen. You will then find yourself in the login area. Type in your BSB number in the text box. Your BSB number can be found on your settlement letter and loan statement, so make sure to type it in correct and click on login. On the next page, enter your password or any other prompts that has been given to you, which will then be able to take you inside your EZY Mortgage account. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.